Fill in the blank challenge.
Hey guys, it's Lauren and Moose here. Today we are going to be doing something kind of like Mad Libs. It's our Spreadshop fill in the blank challenge. So I'm going to be reading a story and taking out some of the fun words. And Moose here is going to be giving me some nouns, adjectives, things like that. And we're going to read it back and he's not allowed to laugh.
And that's the challenge.
That's the challenge.
You can't laugh?
Yeah, because then you'll lose.
I laugh at nothing.
I
I'm
know.
laughing right now inside. I'm just holding it back.
Well, I need a noun.
Donkey.
And an adjective.
Red.
I need a large number.
7 trillion.
I'm just going to write the word trillion.
It's a lot of zeros.
A fictional character.
Ooh, Christmas. Santa.
You're going to need another fictional character.
Another one. Shrek.
A number.
Number 23.
And a unit of measurement.
Let's say millimeters.
An adjective.
Huge.
A verb.
Skipping.
And a funny word.
Wonka.
And we need an exclamation.
Wowzers. You don't say wowzers all the time?
Every day. No, I've never used the word wow.
Alright, so I gotta get calm. Can't laugh.
Okay, so today's segment is going to be based on how Spreadshop is hassle-free. Are you ready?
Calm. No laughing. No laughing. No whammies, no whammies. I'm good. I'm ready.
You're gonna laugh.
Damn.
So you already lost. So I guess I'll just read it anyway. Alright. Last year, I opened my very own donkey business. We are off to a red start. We are attracting 7 trillion customers per day.
Wow.
The brand is certainly taking off. My customers, Santa and Shrek, often ask me about buying merchandise with my logo and slogan on it, but I have no room to manage inventory of shirts and accessories. I only have 23 square millimeters of retail space.
Just not practical.
Okay, yeah, good luck with that. I do not want the risk of getting stuck with excess merchandise. Naturally, I was huge when I realized that Spreadshop was the answer. I could open an online shop for free with no risk and, most importantly, no need to manage my own inventory. My customers can simply skipping onto their handheld Wonka and visit my online store to purchase my merchandise. Every time I think of how Spreadshop has allowed me to capitalize on my brand, I want to scream, wowzer.
Wowzer. That was a good one. I definitely lost.
You definitely lost, but...
I never go skipping on my handheld wonker.
However, I somehow believe you often scream the word wowzer.
Oh, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, I had fun. That was wonderful.
So there's no inventory cost. That's what I got from that.
Yeah, there's no inventory cost.
And
you don't have to store it in your
23
millimeters of space.
And I'm glad Santa and Shrek told me so.
Alright, well, if you guys enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and leave any comments or questions or suggestions that you have in the comments below. And tune in with us next time. And don't forget to visit Spreadshop.com.
Take it easy.
Well, then you're probably going to lose, but you're going to have fun doing it at least.
Hopefully.